Now, how does a balance sheet really look like? So you see, at any point of time, I always give this example, like in our life, happiness and sadness are always equal. Okay, at one point of time, they have to go equal. As much as you cry, you will have to laugh. You'll have to laugh. You'll have to cry. At one point of time, they just become equal in life, right? Similar is the case for assets and liabilities. The assets total will always match the liabilities total. Now, when I say liability, the capital or the owner's fund, जो पैसे as a owner मैंने लगाए हैं, is also included in the liability side. So these two have always to be balanced. So if you see the example, I've shown fixed asset is let's say 180 rupees, and the company has current assets of 70 rupees. So total कितना हुआ 250. Now where is this 250? 100 rupees ओनर ने खुद लगाए, 100 रुपए बैंक से लोन लिए, बाकी 50 रुपए उसको अभी अपने क्रेडिटर्स को पे करना है या अपनी लायबिलिटी पे करनी है या सैलरी देना है. So at any point of time, the assets and liabilities of the company has to balance. अकाउंट्स का एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रूल होता है जिसको कहते हैं विद एवरी प्लस देयर हैज टू बी अ माइनस, विद एवरी डेबिट देयर हैज टू बी अ क्रेडिट. दैट्स अ रूल. सो विद एवरी प्लस देयर हैज टू बी अ माइनस. सो फॉर एग्जांपल, मेरे किसी कस्टमर ने मुझसे 5 टी शर्ट्स खरीदी, 100 रुपीज मतलब 500 रुपीज. सो व्हाट विल हैपन, टी शर्ट्स विल गो आउट, 500 रुपीज विल कम इन, right? Now let's say I paid my salaries of 100 rupees. What will happen? Bank account will reduce because salary, money will go out. But मुझे किसी को पैसे देने थे of 50 rupees, which is my liability, वो अब कम हो गया. तो मेरे को जितने लोगों को जवाब देना था वो कम हो गया 50 rupees से. So that's the liability reducing. Okay, so this is how the balance sheet will always balance. So if you're looking at a basic company, let's say you're planning to take up a job and you see उससे आप बोलते हो कि उसकी balance sheet आप Google करके ले लेते हो कहीं से. Now you see that the asset and liabilities are not matching. Please don't join that company because that means उसका account system पूरा messed up है. Okay, so the assets and liabilities always have to match. An accounts person will always know that. But if you're not from an accounts background, you have to remember this very, very basic rule. It's like maths. LHS has to be equal to RHS. Left hand side of the formula has to be equal to RHS. Until as this happens, the formula doesn't get proved, right? Similarly, assets and liabilities have to match each other. So this was an example. If you have a manufacturing organization, let's say a Tata Steel, what is the difference between a manufacturing and trading organization? What is manufacturing? एक कंपनी जो प्लांट लगाती है, बोलती है भाई मैं रॉ मटेरियल खरीदूंगा, उसको मैन्युफैक्चर करूंगा, कुछ बना के बेचूंगा. What is trading? Trading is something, let's say you're selling books. So you bought 100 books and you'll sell one karke, right? You're not writing those books. So you're just buying and selling. So let's say a mall. In a shopping mall, you see 100 showrooms, right? Those 100 showrooms, are they making anything there? No. They are buying those products and they're selling it to you. So that's a trading organization. It buys and it sells. There is no process in between. For a manufacturing company, let's say a bakery, they will buy maida, they'll buy sugar, they'll buy flour, they'll buy so many things. They'll make it a cake and then they'll sell it to you. So what did they do? They processed the product. So it's a manufacturing company in a smaller way. Okay, now that can be a big bakery, it can be a small bakery also.